It's annoying, right? When you're sick and your voice suddenly sounds not like you, that broken voice is actually a warning system your body created. A warning for what? Let's find out what it's warning you about. Before I tell you about this warning, you need to know how your voice box actually works. I'm going to explain that little sound box in your throat, simply, but everything you need to know. Your voice isn't just sound, it's vibration. Inside your throat are two small muscles called vocal cords. When air from your lungs passes through them, they move back and forth. That movement creates your voice. When you're healthy, this movement is smooth and stable, but sickness changes this system very quickly. When you get sick, your immune system causes inflammation. This means swelling. Just like your nose gets blocked, your vocal cords swell too. Even a small amount of swelling can change how your voice sounds, and this is when your voice starts to drop. Swollen vocal cords become heavier. Heavier cords move more slowly. Slower movement creates lower sounds. That's why your voice often sounds deeper when you're sick. It's not in your head, it's simple physics. But depth is not the only change. When you're sick, your body makes more mucus. Some of it sticks to your vocal cords. This makes it harder for them to move freely. Imagine trying to clap your hands while wearing thick gloves. The movement happens, but it's weaker and less clear. And now talking feels tiring. Swollen vocal cords need more energy to move. That extra energy makes you tired quickly. Your body is telling you to stop talking and rest. That's why your voice may crack or fade when you talk too much. But sometimes your voice can disappear. Imagine that. That's horrible. If the swelling gets worse, your vocal cords may not move enough to make sound. Air still comes out, but no clear voice is made. That's how people lose their voice. And many people make this mistake next. Whispering might feel gentle, but it's not as harmless as it seems. It changes how your vocal cords work, making the muscles around them work harder. That extra tension can slow healing and sometimes even make your voice worse. There's one more thing most people forget. Fever, breathing through your mouth, and some medicines dry out your body. Dry vocal cords don't move well. Drinking water helps them move more easily. That's why water can help your voice feel better. When you're sick, your breathing becomes shorter and weaker. Less air means less power in your voice. That's why your voice can sound tired or sad, even if you don't feel that way. Your vocal cords heal slowly. The swelling goes down first, but full movement takes more time. This is why singers and speakers rest their voice even after they feel better. And now we understand why a voice change is a warning sign. It's a warning system that tells your whole body and you that you need to take extra care. Think about it. Humans are so advanced that this warning comes from the very thing we use all day, every day. And that's when you really know you're sick. If your voice doesn't come back after a couple of weeks, that's not normal. It could mean damage, infection, or even a permanent change. The good news is you can help your voice recover. Resting, staying hydrated, and enjoying some tea or warm drinks can make a big difference. Take it easy. Avoid straining your vocal cords and give your body the care it needs. Your voice will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. This was my first video, and I'd be so happy if you leave a comment and let me know how I can make more helpful content.